Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA pushed a little higher yesterday, but that was not necessarily a surprise or a rally to any significant or surprising price level. In fact, we didn't even reach the 100% extension level here. Yeah, you could maybe say, it reacted to it, but it was just below it, so it ended just shy of reaching 57 cents. And we're still dealing with the same situation, basically, okay? So we still have a very clear three-wave move. And the thing is that a rally to the 100% extension level of this distance indicates we have a very nice three-wave structure, A, B, C, okay? So it could easily be that this was an A wave, this was a B wave, and this the C wave of this circle wave B there. And if we now see a break below 47.2 cents, that's the last swing low here. So a breakdown, below that level. Yeah, if we break below that level, that would confirm that this circle wave C is unfolding. That wouldn't be bearish. Essentially it would just allow anybody who wants to and who didn't do it, but would like to add a position in the yellow support zone. This here remains my main support zone for ADA. Whereas I have said that the lower area ideally isn't even reached. So we could say it's 39 cents to 50.8 cents. Also, please be aware that we've got this ascending trend line come up here. Yeah, so this is something to watch. And we are still in a situation which I cannot confirm yet that the wave 4 is over. Okay, but it's not necessarily about confirming it from a trading point of view. A trader would have probably added in the yellow support area there was enough time, and it has, led to a positive and successful trade for anybody who did it. But as I said before, it's not a reliable trade setup. We're dealing with an overall diagonal pattern. And it's definitely not the easiest structure to trade if you're doing this, unless you use something different than Elliott wave and you've got your own edge, your own method, your own system. From an Elliott wave point of view, there are at least better charts to trade and clearer charts, and this here doesn't have the clarity at the moment on the micro level, like, for example, a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Rune, or even Matic. So we're not there because we're dealing with a large diagonal. I still show you the relevant patterns, and I show you which parameters need to be reached so that we can call it a 5-wave pattern to the upside. 5 waves up would confirm that wave 4, which is this correction, ended here. But as you can see, we haven't even reached the 1.38 extension. That's at 61.2 cents. This would be the ideal target for a third wave. It can always go a little higher, but that would be the ideal target. Then a fourth wave pullback might go to 57 cents again, maybe a little lower. And then a fifth wave should reach 64 cents minimally. If I don't get 5 waves to 64 cents, I don't have a 5-wave pattern and cannot confirm that the low is in. Bottom line is we've got a support zone which has been well known for more than a month, and I think a couple of months even. And we will get only a new support area, okay, if we get 5 waves up. I think that's really as simple as I can highlight it. There is a micro support level which I highlighted 47.2 cents. If you like to, against that level you could focus on higher, but it's not very reliable because I could add another micro support once the wave 3 has reached 59.6 cents, because it would be the absolute minimum requirement for a third wave. At the moment, this could simply be an ABC structure. Yeah, and I cannot even count even more on the micro level, because the more micro we go, especially with an altcoin, the more relevant the Fibonacci levels become and the less relevant the actual micro counting. I think we're already at a wave degree where it's sort of just about like borderline, we shouldn't really go any smaller than this. Yeah, and essentially that gives you an idea of the current structure, which means, yep, possibility is there that the fourth wave completed, but it takes much more. We haven't even broken above a recent significant swing high. Yeah, this one, but it's still a 3-wave move. Takes next a break above the X wave high, and yeah, funny enough, this is exactly where the 1.38 extension level is positioned, around 61.2, 61.3 cents. And then obviously above all these December highs, right? That area needs to be broken. And then we can look up towards 85 to 96 cents. It's only below 39 cents I would worry about this chart and would start to assume that we've really topped in a 3-wave move. But again, I can only confirm it with a break below 34.5 cents, because that's the lower end, the lower boundary line of the overall support region. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.